Good morning, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today is Wednesday. It's inventory day once again. Inventories on a Wednesday. Today is May 9th, 2018. It's CLPIT strategy day. I am sitting at 31339.3 right there. And I am 76 ticks roughly from 32,100. A 3P target today is 73. So I'm adjusting for 80 to get enough. And my biggest debate I got right now is where to put my stop at. So, meaning do I go 13.3 to 14, 9.9 to 10, halfway in the middle? Right now I'm settling in at halfway in the middle. And then I'm looking to move to 10 once we get the movement out and about. So, what do we got here? Our highs right now are 71.17 and the low is 69.85. Crazy, crazy, crazy yesterday as far as trading goes. It went down to, I believe, 67.63. And then it's traded up to a high right now of 71.17. But it bounced off of that low yesterday, and it just, I mean, didn't take off straight up, but it might as well. So right now, highest volume bar actually came in last night at 31.65 at 2012. 10:12 p.m. was it 8:12? 8:12 p.m. I guess. And that's blue. And highest red came in at 208 at 1957, or a volume bar of 1957 at 2:08 a.m. And we've been trading in between pivot and R1 for most of the session. Looking top down, that's a doji bar, believe it or not. It went down all the way to this low that we see, 67.63, excuse me, and it finishes up here at 70.07. I mean, talk about an open there and it closed there. It just kind of a crazy day as far as, and then you can see the movement right now, where 72 is certainly within range now, or maybe even higher. As far as GAN numbers today, we got 71.33. We've almost already run that already. And then the downside number is 68.78. As far as a 12p move today, if we put in the low and see how far can we go off the low, up today, low is at 69.85. And I have a top right now at 72.77. That's a 12p move. And if we take the top of 71.17, if I can put in the numbers correctly. Oh man, I'm just a fumbling fool right now. Here we go. A low at 68.25. So that's our 12p range today. Usually when we run a 12p, there's a great odds that you can run 12p 2 days in a row. So the up is obviously a lot closer than the down. So we have a range right now, a 12p range of 72.77 to 68.25 today. That's based upon the high and the lows of the market. I just plug it into the spreadsheet and it spits out numbers for me. 7277, 6825. I got my GAN numbers right there, 7133. We're almost there. And again on the down, 68.78. Obviously, I wished I took more profit yesterday, and then I wouldn't have to be worrying so much about today. It's always hindsight, though. 2020 hindsight. 1.99 ADR today. That's almost at 2.0 because of yesterday. If we look top down quickly, because it's 10:25, 9:25, 5 minutes still. Here's our hour. We can quickly put in a Fibonacci retracement. All right, so retracement back to pivot. Let's leave that on for now. And let's go back to the 15-minute, take a look at that. Let's see here. 200 bars way down here. And the 15-minute is showing 200 bar roughly at 70.20. I'm assuming we're going to take out the highs after the open, after the release of the report. Here's our 5 minutes. So we just about touched the 5-minute 200 bar SMA, and then we traded off of it. So you can see us trading in between. Well, actually, that's 31.8, right? 61.2, whatever it is. That's a Fibonacci number at 70.37, and this is down here at the 69.36 level is where pivot is actually hanging out. So craziest day of the week coming up here, just a few minutes. Looks like about 4 minutes from now I'll be right back in a couple. All right. Okay, a report is imminent, coming out here in a minute, less than a minute, and the fireworks are getting ready to start. 2513 blue bar. I don't want to catch it at the high. $71.13 to short. 7114. 1P target 7090. Three P target today 7041. And you can see our win bar right there at 7034. And pivot is 6936. We'll be well out in front of it. Did not go to 1P there. $70.90 is 1P. To it, not through it. Nope, went through it. Don't like how it's slowing down here. Need to break down quickly. Need to keep breaking down. Two P is 70.65. Back down to 1P. Can we break through? Good. Now let's see what we can do here. Hopefully we can come down hard for a while. At least to target. Move the market back to the pivot point. Pivot located at 69.36 today. If the old target was 1,500 profit, I would have enough right now. Hopefully we got another Gann move down and left in us here. Trailing 10 ticks from blue line now. Best chance to win is right now. It takes up here. I don't know what happens at that point. It comes up here and runs me out. I just don't know if we're going to go up or down at that point. I mean, I really believe we got some down left in this market, but I don't know if it's going to shoot up here before it comes back down. But I'm hoping this scan signal right here will break the market down. We have our Gann line here. We have 1, 2, 3, hopefully 4 down. Completed the triangle. Let's see if we can go through here now. So I want to see that. Protecting 10 ticks above break line here. 70.93 plus 10 brings it 71.03. That might be all we get is 11 ticks today. Need to get to 65 and under. On the 5-minute chart, what we see holding is the 200 bar SMA on the 5-minute chart. It's still holding. And on the 15-minute, you can see us holding this line right here. So we need to get under that. I'm hoping that we can get down this 200 bar SMA down here, touch this. If we can touch it, then my short's in here and catches it. So what do we need? We need about a 50 tick fall from here. Okay, we can see the other side of this right too. Looks like a bottom. It looks like a market trying to put a bottom in. Getting ready to go for new highs. Hopefully it's got that one push left in it to head down here. Hopefully we can contain this up move and push down here. Obviously I'm curious if this bar right here is enough to stop the downward movement. So far so good for those that are trading on the long side. This 1583 bar is holding. Hopefully we can bust it now. It was 80, 79, 78, 77 right there. 2P is 65, not quite there. This is going to be close today. $40 ticks from here, right? Well within the range. What we did do though is touch the 5-minute 200 bar SMA right there and come off of it. So if we can get back down there, maybe we can push through it. Hopefully we can go get this 15-minute 200 bar. That's more significant down here. We need to break through that 61 level though. I think we got a shot going up, and then hopefully we can sell off. I'm hoping it'll be a fake out, and then we'll head on down. No such luck. So if 31.5 was a target, I'd already hit it today. Market went to 71.02. Went down to 66, one tick away from 2p. Just couldn't go down for me. R1 line's right here. High at 29 now, 71.29. Honestly, I didn't see this being the end of the down right here. This bar right here is the down stopper. Let's go back and look and see what we saw then. Here's our high volume. We have this one, 1583. I think I marked that one, yeah. And then we had this one. So we made a low, a 7070, 7066. So we went down 4 ticks lower, and that formed that base of this right here, a 1260. And then we see this, 1170. And that's where we are right now. Kind of in no man's land. So the market moved down basically almost 2p before recovering. I want to trade again. I need volume to kick in. Into part 1 right here. Part 2. You always second guess yourself when you take a profit. You ask yourself, what if I would have held at break even, or what if I would have taken out 2p, or what ifs will kill you. The only thing that I can tell you that I could have done differently is trade 2 on the inventory trade and let that first one come out roughly where we were at 70.80 right there, and then the second one maybe I would have been able to get enough to, you know, 2 contracts at 40 ticks, I win. So that's about the only thing I could say that I could have done differently. Would have been coming out at 70.74 on both of them. In hindsight, everything always works out though, right? So right in here, if I was looking for 40 ticks on 2, I could have got here and had enough profit at this level right here to even at here 76.77, I would have had enough right in this area trading 2. But it's just not the way I normally trade. I don't like trading 2 contracts into inventory. It's dangerous. You can quickly accumulate 40, 50 ticks and loss in a very short period of time. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that's true. I need volume to kick in to make me want to do anything. So how close am I to 240,000 minutes? There we go. Now we're going to head down. Figures. Have I got enough? Let's take a look at Forex Factory while we're here, see what the report said. Negative 2.2, expecting, forecasting negative 0.02, missed it by 2 million. I don't know, you guys need to look at this graph. How many times we missed this report? We missed it big time last week and didn't really do much of anything. So one of the things that you have to have it, now it's going to go down, you bastard. You just never know what's going to happen. Apologize in advance when I start talking. Yeah, I know who I am. I'm trying to get to Creator Studio. There we go. Let's pull this over. So, one of the things that YouTube you have to have is 240,000 watch minutes over the last 365 days, and I'm extremely close to it. And look, every day I'm even closer. Ah! I'm over. They gotta start paying me again at YouTube. So I get to apply again, obviously, and that's about all right now. Bunch of jerkheads. So they stopped me from earning at the beginning of the year in February, March, April, May. I mean, it's not a lot, but hey, it pays the bills a little bit. 240,100. That's above 240,000. So I am officially up over their threshold. Bunch of jerkheads. Thank you, though, for everyone that watches my video content. I appreciate it. I'll talk about that on the one-on-one chit chat, I guess, a little bit later today. So this up movement went to 71.09. That's a hard one to stay in. The only way I'd have been able to stay in this trade is if I was doing the tortoise side of the trade, taking out profit with the hare and then allow the tortoise to stay in the trade. Looking for volume. Haven't seen it.
Hello, this is Gateway Health.
Highest red is 1957. Highest blue is 3165. So let's look at our hourly chart and let's see what we did so far. Here's the release. 9 right here. So we reached back down. No, we didn't really reach anything. Went down to about here and then we traded off of that. Here's yesterday's move. And then the recovery off of that. That's insane. Look at that. Here's, what's this, Monday? Here's Monday, the 7th. And then 8th is nothing. All of a sudden, bam, down it goes. And bam, up it goes all the way up to today. $71.14 now. That can be the first blue bar over 1,000. There's still more up left. Need to see 5 blue bars together now. High of 71.29. Obviously, if I knew that 66 was going to be the low, I would have got out there, right? Of the down move today. Just can't know that. This is a market that's getting ready to head up for a while, I believe. Take out the highs. Usually when we see one of these volume bars, it usually follows with another one. And then what I want to see, basically, to make a long story short, if I want to get in the short, I want to see another 1,000 bar, and then I want to see accumulation of 5 blue bars. It doesn't have to be looking like that, but 5 bars above that 750 mark, trying to make a top, and then take it on if I want to take it on at all. If I don't see what I want, then I'll stand aside. All right, so what I'm asking myself, is this enough to send the market up? I don't think so. But I've been wrong all these other times, so it could be. So I'm looking for the market to shoot up here. At least get higher than this up here. We think about the lows that we've posted. Right now it's 65, 66, 84, 86. So at the bottom's trying to form here. That's why I'm trying to get involved in this and thinking maybe it'll take off here. One half hour stop at 9 to now. I'd prefer to see a higher red bar volume though. But if it does shoot up, it can shoot up quickly. We've seen that happen over and over and over again. It's taking too long to do anything.
I'm not going to jump without volume, just not going to do it. Not going to guess. Not going to guess. Going to wait. Or stand aside. No volume indicator to let me know that anything's going to happen here. hardest part is staying out of a trade. It's not doing anything. I mean, all we've basically done is move back into this range, right? You can see this trading range right in here. All I see right now is just a channel. That's telling here. Look at this on the 1 hour chart here. It's like if we get above R1, it might go, but I don't know. All right, into part 2.
All right, start of part 3. Alright, I'm calling it. It's an hour and a half after release and nothing coming out here. Got 2 minutes left to an hour and a half here. I hate only being up 16 ticks, but it's better than being down 40. And I don't know. I mean, obviously, I like to think the market would go up, but then again, I can see just as much coming down. What I need to see is high volume. So what I'm going to do is pause here, and we'll take a look at it in just a little bit. Pausing the video here. Well, obviously, if I see something good, I'll unpause and talk about it.
Alright, I just unpaused just to talk real quick. This makes me see things that might not necessarily be there. So like right now, I'd like to short at 95. Looking at this right here, this GAN signal, I like to short here at 95, but I don't think it's the right thing to do. But how do I know? The market could just as easily go down as go up. But I'm also looking, you can see this coil pattern in here. There's a coil pattern, so it breaks under, break above. I just put, I don't know if you'll be able to see this well as I do, but that's not what I wanted. But so we have like this movement right in here, right? And then we have this here. There's your coil. It's right now at the top of the coil. See this base building here. If we count how many times we've been down, right? So here, right in here, right in here. This could be 1, 2, 3. Coil coming off of that to the downside. Are we breaking this way? This pattern would tell you that well, if we hit up here 4 times, we go up. And if we come back through here for the 4th time, we go down. It's kind of the coil. And the ascending triangle could go either way, in my humble opinion. But there's also a coil pattern in here too. You got an ascending triangle, and you also have a coil. The tiebreaker's got to be volume. And I told myself I only got one trade. Take a 10-tick hit. Worst case scenario, I finish up +6. So I want to make sure that my entry point is a valid entry point. And I'm looking for volume to lead the way. We're closing in on the high, so I assume we're going to go retest this up here. Back to R1 again. So how many times have we been to R1 today? Let's look. A whole bunch of times. We've been at R1 a whole mess load of times. Pause. Might have a GAN, fourth time through here, heading down. I want to try to trade this. And see if we hit our target on the down. I'd like to see it complete at least this triangle coming down here to the 65 line. I mean, not 65, 85 line. So basically, what I'm looking for, oops, that's the box, I don't want the box. This going up, right? There's your triangle. And complete this triangle coming back down to here. Second high volume bar, third, remove signal. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I went red. Probably got more up left in here. Going to take out this high. Just 10 ticks away from the high right now. I think it's made it to 20, right? 71.20, 9 ticks away from the high. Be interesting to see what happens when we break this up here. How far do we break it? This is only the second time up here too, by the way. First time obviously was the new high, and now it's the first time we've not retraced, but trended up back to that level. The market could shoot up to, what we talk about today, 72.77 could be possible top, a 12p move going up. Look at yesterday's low, 6763, 70.55 was a 12p move. Maybe somewhere in that middle is where we're going to end up today. So above 750, we have 2 bars above 750. We should get a bunch once we get to the high. Alright, so let's look at the hourly, see what it looks like. Just not enough volume up here to stop this up move, I don't think. Okay, I'm going to pause here until we get to that top here. Don't want to trade below this. We'll see it hit that 29 or close to it, and then show a bunch of volume up there and then make a decision. It looks like it's close to pushing it. Be interesting to see what happens up here. It might only go up 4 or 5 ticks over the high and then sell off again. It's really trying to get up there. So this is a market that's reminiscent of a top coming. At least temporarily have a top. I'll take my shot now. Only busted that top by what, 6, 7 ticks.
All right, this is it. This is my trade. Win or lose right here, done for day. The only problem is where do I want to be on my stop? I think I want to do it 71.37 and hold there. Comes back there, then obviously mark can go wherever it wants. I'm trying to win this trade on this one here. So I want 59 ticks from here, 58. 3P move down from here is 70.58.
We'll protect break even. Win or lose, break even, done on day. Don't want to lose any money now. Either wants to go down or wants to go up. Hopefully our top is in and we'll head down now. $100, that's fine. I waited for what I wanted, so let's see what happens here. We'll either finish with a $100 win or we win today. One or the other. We get our target. Target I'm looking for to win this combine. We'll go 70-73, we'll win it. Actually 70-71 wins it for sure. Let's go for that. $71.31. A 1P down move is 71.07. So we got to run back to R1. I don't like the way we're not breaking down. We'll protect break even.
Either it wants to go down or it doesn't. So I'm protecting break even now. I don't want to take a hit. So we'll finish at either plus 16 or so. I don't like the way it's not breaking down yet. Could easily run new highs. I could be on the wrong side of this market, and I don't want to take a loss. So if it takes me out, it takes me out. Done on day. Three-P target, if it will run down, is 70.58. All right, this market could go either way now. Hopefully we break down, at least for a bit.
I'm good with that. I'm good with the break even on this one. We'll use our profit to hold break. Right now, if it gets up to that 31 level, we're certainly going to go hit a new high. All right, breakdown now. Come on. Go! The 2P move is 82. And the 3 is underneath this at 58. All right, now I'm okay with protecting 71.30, 71.29. That's a 3P move right there. That's what I would want on the strategy itself, is a 3P down move. This is what I need pretty much to be one tick trading day 4 and day 5. You know, let's protect. As much as I want to take a little bitty profit there, let's just protect break even. Use our 16 ticks as a hold this trade. All right, 2 good trading decisions today for me, no matter how you look at it. I was patient, waited for a signal I was looking for, and then I got involved. The CLPIT strategy roughly worth 16 ticks today. We're not breaking down, so I don't like that. So it takes me out, it takes me out. Don't like the idea that we're not breaking. Usually when we get a top, there's a deeper drop than just a couple little bitty ticks here. This is probably more times than not just a temporary lull before the market makes a new high. So there's probably more business to do above the GAN signal at 33. GAN today was 71.33. So if we can hold that line, maybe we're okay. But 71.33 was GAN today, and we hit it.
2 days in a row hitting some GAN numbers. If we can get lucky and get this market to tank for a little bit, that would be awesome. Not asking for much, just get down another 50 ticks from here. Right? Yeah, 50. And then you can do whatever the hell you want to do for the rest of the day. Sure would like to win this combine today. But I might have to trade another to get there, and another after that. God only knows. If I could have taken out more profit yesterday, I would have already been there. Just never know when that market. I couldn't move my profit stop yesterday quick enough to get it out of the way. This looks like a market's going to go make a new high. Take us out. Maybe we'll get lucky and it'll break down, but obviously we need to stay underneath that 26, 29 line. Okay, that's enough up. Let's go down. No go.
Pause. Very weak going up here. Very weak going up there. This is going to be close. We're either breaking down from here or we're going to go up hard. So this is a good position right now. The market did not make a new top. Working as a double top right now. So maybe the double top will allow us to win this day. Just need a little bit of momentum to push this market a little bit. $71.07 is 1p again. 71.07. We'll hold the 29.9. 3 ticks over 26. Can I get up over 2,000 today? There's our 1p move just about. Can we bust the R1 line today? Okay, we don't want to see 26 again. So we'll protect 27, 26. We'll protect the 26 line. Don't want to see that again. We get back up here, God only knows where we go. Actually, we go up, obviously. I'm hoping that we have enough oomph in this move to be able to catch the target. Down and through 1p. All right. Let's see if we can run finally. 2p move. 70.82. And there's our 3 if we can get it today. 70.58. $16 plus 4 is 20. We'll hold 27 and we'll take a 20 tick win if we'll have a $200 win, less commission costs. That's what we'll hold. So we're either going to get our target or it's at 27. Double top formation up here. Hoping the double top will be the top and we'll come on down for at least for a little bit. Expect a little blowback at the R1 line. Hopefully we can run down a little bit further. Really don't want to see 26. But 27 is 5 ticks higher than 22 right now, so let's go with that.
Hopefully we can pop this cherry and head down for a while.
Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Maybe I'll get lucky here. Can the squirrel get the nut? 26 was hit, but not 27. All right, locked and loaded. We're at it. It's either going to take us out or we're going to hit our target. Let's hope that we can get lower than this over here now. If not, we'll take our 20 ticks and wait for the next trading day. I will be officially done. I'm not going to piss with it anymore today. I've taken 3 shots at it today, and I don't feel like giving any of my money back. I want to get that 32,000 and move on. I guess maybe I have to wait another day to get to it, or 2, or 3. I got that mental block right now. Got to believe before you can achieve. So I have to believe I can get there first. See it with my own eyes. Damn it. Went to 28 there. Got some positive slippage there. Well, if 1500 was my target, I've made it. So now I'm there. Now I need to get a little bit higher to win this damn thing and move on to FTP. I'm done. I'm not going to try to catch any more of this. I'm going to take my 21 ticks and call it a day. And see where I end up tomorrow. I believe that was the best opportunity that I was in. I might have been a little too close to the market. I might not. I just don't. You just never know. If it was going to come down, that was the time that it should have come down. Now we're in a crapshoot. It can go up, it can go down, and go sideways. And I don't like being in crapshoots unless I'm at the casino or in a range of some kind. So let's. As much as I want to keep trading, I'm calling it. This is Dave Knight here for 123 Day Trade. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.